In here.
Check this shit out. What do we have here?
Yo, Carl. What up, kid?
Hey, what's happening? Oh, is this undercover training? Oh, no, you must be off duty.
Yeah, whatever. Hush up, man. Mr. Truth here is going to be supplying you with some of the finest weed, and you are going to deliver it for us.
Hey, man, you losing. You hallucinating this shit.
What? Oh. Yo, Truth, come here, man.
Welcome, friend.
What's up?
Carl here is going to be paying you your money.
What you talking about?
Now, Carl, I got a real do-good with me, and I want you to take this evil green poison and drop it on him. It's gonna ruin that career.
Oh, bullshit.
Dudes, you want mushrooms? Booze? How about some DMT?
No, not for me, man. I got a jet. Whew, shit. Yo, Carl, pay the man.
Whoa, man. I never thought I'd see that. A Fed out smoking me. What are you, dude? FBI? DEA?
Nah, I'm more like a private investigator.
Friend, you give off a positive energy. How about some Vietnamese opium?
Nah, I don't get down with that.
But how do I know I can trust you then?
What, I'm working for you now?
I'm a man of peace. But some squares across that ridge are not respecting my peace. I mean, survivalist maniacs, right-wingers, fascists. They have a harvester, and I need one. Get it, and you can pay me. Namaste, Carl.
That mean? Later, freak.
Worse than a pig of goddamn ass.
Hell yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Check it out, y'all. It's Julio G. Time to get into some Death Row, because they're in the house right about now. Radio Los Santos. This right here is Dre Day. Every day is Dre Day on my show, man. Let's get into it. Dr. Dre, check it.
Mister.
You come to the wrong farm, boy.
You in...
Beat him down. It's all he's good for. Hey, who is this guy?
Don't know, but it looks kind of shifty. Roll him in some pig shit.
He's a combine rustler. That's so big stealing Betsy.
Blame yourself.
Stop that dang varmint! You're making me real angry. Oh, Tiki boy!
Right, bitch. Give me that fucking beer.
Man, you've brought peace back to my valley. Thank you, friend. I'll call you when the whoop-de-doo is ready. Just make sure you get that cash.